Hello guys, today I'll show you how to add color to any of your models to look good. Best to visualize it, we have here 1000 spheres and we need to choose a color scheme. I will choose Triad. It's helpful to use the Adobe Color Wheel. I will take this color wheel. So let's add the first color. So the first color, let's say, this would be our primary color. We have 600 spheres with this color. Now let's choose the second color. This would be the second color, and the third one. Now we have a color scheme. Green is the primary color. Then we have less purple and just a little bit orange. Now to visualize it in another way, bring the color ramp, make it constant. These are the chosen colors. With object info, choosing random. Of course, furthermore, as you can see also here, we have shades. So that's how it's looking. The shades are only for an idea. They're in small parts. Now let's use it in the spaceship. Like this, a little bit darker. This would be the second one. And this, the third one. These are the only three colors we need. I will come back with the finished color scheme. And that's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like and subscribe if you wanna see more. Bye.